Okay, we got the value for j equals to 2, which was true. That means 2 is less than 3. As it was true for this for loop, printf function printed asterisk and a space, and our cursor is now here, right? Now see, it will again jump to j plus plus, and the value for j now becomes 3. So 3 is less than 3. It's not correct. 3 is not less than 3. So now what will happen is this particular for loop will terminate because it came as false, and now our program will compile this line. It says print f backslash n. We all know backslash n means a new line. So our cursor was here and now it jumps to this particular place. Okay, see, now this is under the for loop and it is last line. It cannot come out of curly braces because this particular for loop is also running for 3 times. So we all know for loop will check the condition after its work is done. So I plus plus, I value was 0, now I value is 1. 1 is less than 3, yes, it is true. So again it will come inside its curly braces. Okay, now see, keep in mind, now I value is not 0, it's 1. And here, coming here, for j equals to 0 it says, do not get confused, j value is 0 because this for loop is executing again. After for loop was 0, for 0 it ran continuously this many times. Now it will run continuously for I value, that is 1. Now again j is 0. See, now row 1 is confined. This place is confined now. Okay, we are dealing with row 1. Now j value equals to 0. So row is 1 and column is 0. Which is this? This is this place, and we already have the cursor down with the help of this backslash n. It means 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 is this place. We have already studied from matrix also. Now what it says, j equals to 0, j is less than 3. Condition is true. 0 is less than 3. So condition becomes true and it will come under printf function. Now it says to print asterisk and a space gap. Now again j plus plus, j value becomes 1. So 1 is already confined and j equals to 1, that means column equals to 1. Now this is the place. Again 1 is less than 3, true, then again asterisk and space. Now 1 plus plus, that is 2, right? Now 2 is also less than 3, it is true, then again asterisk and space. Now 3. Now from j plus plus we will get j value to be 3. 3 is not less than 3. 3 is less than 3. The condition becomes false and it will not come under curly braces and it will pass the cursor to this printf function, means coming out of this curly braces loop. Now printf backslash says, now you are not in this line but in this line. Now again our value for I equals to 1 is no more I equals to 1, I plus plus. Now I value is 2. So now this space is confined. Again coming inside this curly braces. Now j equals to 0. 2 is already confined, row to second, and 0 is this one. So this backslash already gave us this particular place. Now again j will be running for 0. So 2 is already confined and 0 value is this one, and again 0 is less than 3, condition true, asterisk space, again I plus plus, asterisk space, again j value becomes 2, which is true, is less than 2 is less than 3, again true, and asterisk space. Now j plus plus, 2 plus plus, that means 3. 3 is less than 3. 3 is less than 3, the condition says, but it is false, we all know. So our program will print a new line. Now our cursor will, from here it will come here, and this curly braces is now over. So again I value was 2, I plus plus. Now I value is 3. So 3 is less than 3, condition becomes false. So from this for curly braces, this curly braces to this curly braces, it will skip because 3 is not less than 3. So our cursor will now come to the get ch. That means whatever answer we got will now be executing. Let us check our answer. See, 0, 1 and 2 is before our slash, so it will hamper the code. Let us check how does it says error. See, error 5. See, statement missing, statement missing. Yes, it is because I have not put statement this thing over here, but it is not required also. This was just to explain. Now as soon as I rub this, actually I can erase all this. It is only for explaining purpose. Whatever I write after double slash is all comment. Alt F9 success, control F9. See, you got the pattern. Thank you, and see you in the next video with some different pattern.